回到我们的 all times when traveling on the underworld.
Zombies! Son of a...
Hello? Man is trapped in a zombie-infested train station!
So
we should save him and stuff.
why?
Why?
Why? Because I'm your friend, you butt munch. Besides, I have the emergency coke.
Alright, let's go save Matt. Whatever.
Alright, there are 3 routes to the station. Through the zombie-infested mall, through the haunted graveyard, or through that old house over there.
I say the old house.
Yeah, that looks safe enough.
10 minutes later...
Well, I hope Matt's doing better than us.
Brains.
I can't just hide it. I need to find a weapon. No? Too predictable.
We need to think of a plan.
I know!
An escape plan!
Oh.
I have an escape plan.
Ah! Zombies!
Matt? Matt? We're here to save you!
About bloody time. We need to think of a way of opening this gate. I suggest throwing Tom at it.
Sounds good to me.
Or we could press that big red button, clearly marked, in case of zombie outbreak, press to open gate to free any/all ginger civilians trapped inside.
Throw Tom!
I hate you all so much.
Give me back the coke!
Well, I think it's time that we should be going only trombones and a pogo stick.
Run away!
They're everywhere.
Y'all ready for this?
Phew, that was close.
Zombies! Run away!
Doesn't seem to be any survivors.
Look, a helicopter!
Wait, what is that down there? No, wait, never mind. It's just more zombies.
We're saved!